All right, today I received my fuel pump. Unexpectedly, got here pretty quick. But that's the new one. That's the O-ring. There's the tank. But I just washed out the inside of the tank, so I gotta let it dry out for a couple days before I put that fuel pump on there. And then we'll test, make sure it fires up. But that is the fuel pump, just like the one I took out of there. So just another update, and when I get that on in a couple days, I will post it.